Plant FAQs, Duranta Sapphire Showers. The Duranta Sapphire Showers is a captivating flowering shrub that has stolen the hearts of many gardeners, myself included. This fast-growing beauty boasts vibrant violet blooms with a distinctive white edge, creating a mesmerizing display throughout the season. But beyond its visual appeal, the sapphire showers is surprisingly easy to care for, making it ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners. In this guide, I'll answer some of the most common questions about the Duranta Sapphire Showers, offering tips and insights to help you cultivate this stunning plant in your own garden. How to care for Duranta Sapphire Showers. Sunlight and location. Sun seeker. The Duranta Sapphire Showers thrives in full sun. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to encourage vibrant blooms and healthy growth. While it can tolerate some partial shade, expect fewer flowers and potentially leggy growth. Finding the perfect spot. When choosing a location for your sapphire showers, consider both sunlight and mature size. This shrub can reach heights of 6 to 10 feet and widths of 4 to 8 feet. Plant it in an area with ample room to grow, avoiding spots directly under power lines or overhanging structures that may restrict sunlight. Container considerations. The sapphire showers can also be enjoyed in containers on a sunny patio or balcony. Choose a pot with good drainage holes, at least one size larger than the root ball. During the summer months, container plants may dry out faster and require more frequent watering. Watering needs. Hydration harmony. The key to watering your sapphire showers is finding a balance. While it enjoys consistently moist soil, avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering deeply. During the hotter months, you may need to water more frequently, especially for container plants. Signs of thirst. Wilting leaves and drooping branches are telltale signs your sapphire showers needs a drink. However, it's better to err on the side of underwatering than overwatering. Winter watering. Reduce watering significantly during the winter months when the plant goes dormant. Soil and fertilizer. Drainage matters. Duranta Sapphire Showers prefers well-draining soil. Amending your planting site with compost or other organic matter can help improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Feeding frenzy. The sapphire showers is not a heavy feeder. In fertile soil, you may not need to fertilize at all. However, if your plant appears pale or lacks vigor, a balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in early spring can provide a boost. Less is more. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Pruning and maintenance. Shaping up. Regular pruning helps maintain the desired size and shape of your sapphire showers. Prune lightly throughout the growing season to remove dead, diseased, or crossed branches. You can also give it a more formal shape by pruning more heavily in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. Safety first. Wear gloves when pruning, as all parts of the Duranta plant are considered toxic. Winter protection. In colder climates, zones 9 to 11, the sapphire showers may benefit from some winter protection. Mulch around the base of the plant with a layer of organic material such as shredded bark or leaves to help insulate the roots. Common pests and problems. Generally resistant. The sapphire showers is a relatively pest and disease-resistant plant. However, it can be susceptible to spider mites and scale insects, particularly during periods of stress or drought. Prevention is key. Maintaining good plant health through proper watering, fertilization, and sunlight is the best defense against pests and diseases. Natural solutions. For minor infestations, insecticidal soap or neem oil sprays can be effective. Seek help. If a pest infestation becomes severe, consult your local nursery or garden center for advice on stronger control measures. Comparison to other flowering shrubs. Endless summer hydrangea. Both the sapphire showers and endless summer hydrangea are popular flowering shrubs with long bloom times. However, the sapphire showers offers a wider range of color options, while the hydrangea is known for its large, mophead blooms in shades of blue, pink, and white. The hydrangea prefers afternoon shade and more acidic soil compared to the sun-loving sapphire showers. Crepe myrtle. Similar to the sapphire showers, the crepe myrtle is a heat-tolerant shrub known for its vibrant summer blooms. However, the crepe myrtle typically flowers in late spring or early summer, while the sapphire showers offers a longer bloom period throughout the season. The crepe myrtle also tends to be a larger shrub, reaching heights of 10 to 25 feet compared to the sapphire shower's more manageable 6 to 10 feet. The crepe myrtle prefers well-draining soil but tolerates a wider range of soil types compared to the sapphire shower's preference for slightly acidic, fertile soil. Additional tips in enjoying your Duranta sapphire showers. Attracting pollinators. The vibrant blooms of the Duranta sapphire showers are a magnet for butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, adding a touch of life and beauty to your garden. Companion planting. Consider pairing your sapphire showers with other colorful flowering plants like lantana, pentas, or coreopsis to create a dazzling summer display. Deadheading. Regularly deadheading spent flowers encourages continuous blooming throughout the season. Simply pinch off the faded flower head just below the base of the bloom. Winter interest. While the flowers fade in winter, the sapphire showers retains its attractive green foliage, adding a touch of evergreen interest to your garden during the colder months. Bringing indoors. In colder climates, you can enjoy the sapphire showers indoors as a container plant over the winter. Place it in a sunny location and water sparingly. Be mindful that indoor air can be drier, so mist the leaves occasionally to increase humidity. With a little care and attention, the Duranta sapphire showers will reward you with a season-long display of vibrant blooms and lush foliage. So, why not add this captivating shrub to your garden and enjoy its beauty for years to come?